looks like we're pulling up to Garden Grove. It's PCTV. It's Historic Garden Grove. And we're here.
Hey, hey.
Hi, guys. Good evening. Oh, thank you.
PCTV comfortvision. Check it out on YouTube.
Thank you, guys. How you doing all? Good. Well, I got this thing to come on down, so there you go.
Hey, hey.
Good to see y'all. All right, well, we're here. Here at the show, so let's just roll down and say hello. Here. Hey there. Look at that. Wow, they have one down there. Maybe a spot or two down. We shall see. Look at this. I've had my michelada, I've had my pastrami sandwich, and now I'm walking with Robert, Juan, and we're going to walk the show, so let's go. It is Garden Grove, historical Main Street, Garden Grove car show. Robert has promised that he's going to keep it PG with us today.
Oh, no. Okay.
This is one of my, this car here got so many likes on it, this is so funny. She got drug, okay, he got drug away by Dawn. That's funny. Convertible, I think it's a 39 Ford convertible. Oh, it's a 40 Ford, wing windows. I should have realized. All right, what do we have here? We got a 65 Cyclone. This is really pretty. Take a look at this, you guys. This is nice. Small block in there. Doing everything it's supposed to do. Got a little Ford Tudor here, 41 Ford Tudor. Again, a very pretty car. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, look at that. Let's take a look inside. See what we have inside here. What kind of goodness do we have? Ooh, look at that. Nice two-tone interior. Isn't that pretty? Swing over here a little bit. She doesn't want to swing. She's kind of not wanting to cooperate here, but there we go. All right, very, very nice. Here's more of that Cyclone. Let's see if we can't get a swing back here. There's the backside of Mike Miller's Nomad. Let's swing back over here. And we get another good shot here. Look at that 41 Tudor. All right. We get the Cyclone down the side. There's the interior. Oh, look at that. He's got the so he's got the old school Mercury Air, the dealer aftermarket add-on, I think it was. It might have been factory, I'm not sure. But this is really pretty exceptional. So let's keep cruising. So you grabbed my walking partner.
Well, yeah, that is very, very cool.
There's the Montclair. to call it, but look what we got leaving here. 70 or 69 F100. 9. Very clean. Looking like quarantine cruise on Sunday. I'm thinking quarantine cruise. Yep.
The car's nice too.
I love the fact this license plate is just hammered.
Yeah. And I like the powder coated bumpers.
Dude, that's my Ford pickup right there. If I was ever on a Ford, that would be it.
You know, I like the powder coated bumpers versus chrome. I'm loving that one.
Here's a beautiful 62 convertible right here. This Apollo's extra nice. She's a sweetheart. What's up? Yeah, she's a sweetie. Wow, nice interior on this. SS interior, baby. Looking good. Yeah, this is a very clean example right here, you guys. Very nice. Super nice. All right. First our Fairlane. And of course, Broski, always here for you, buddy boy. All right, one more look here at this convertible. I love this thing. It's a beauty. All right, here's Mike Miller's 56 Chevy Nomad, looking great. And